Hello, my name is Elena Manga, and I'm Director of Student Success and Registrar at PCA. If you have dyslexia, dyscalculia, or dysgraphia, or any other diagnoses, you can study at PCA. So, you can submit a support and adaptations form, which is found on the montparis.edu portal. Submit that along with your medical information to my office so I can answer your questions personally. So we will collaborate crafting the support that you need in your classroom setting. Now that may be proctoring, that may be extended time, that may be receiving your PDF assignments in advance of other students so that you have plenty of time to work on them. Once you're in your classes, I'll encourage you to stop by my office semi-regularly in order to review and plan your assignments. So that's the one-on-one executive functioning support that many students appreciate. Then at the end of the semester, we'll review and plan for your subsequent semesters of success at PCA. You can reach out to my office at any time prior to your first orientation at PCA.